Have you ever wondered why you can stay upright on a bicycle? The answer is in simple physics. In physics, it is something called angular momentum. Angular momentum is a lot like linear momentum. This happens when you're driving your vehicle. Linear momentum is your mass times your velocity, or, in other words, how fast you are going. Angular momentum is a little bit different. Angular momentum is the rotational inertia times your rotational velocity. Angular momentum is what allows your bicycle to stay upright while you're riding, instead of falling over due to the force of gravity. The pull of gravity will pull the wheel down so it is horizontal with the earth when it's not spinning. When the tire is spinning, angular momentum will keep the tire upright instead of laying flat due to gravity. Because gravity is a torque and still pulls the wheel down to the earth, the wheel needs to do something. Instead of the wheel falling flat, it does something called precession. Precession is when the object wants to change its position along its rotating axis. Instead of gravity pulling the tire so it lays flat, precession will cause the tire to spin around its object, or the hanging rope. Notice that as time goes on, the wheel starts to get a little more flat. This is because gravity pulls on the wheel, causing it to slow down and lose its momentum. If gravity didn't affect the wheel, then the angular momentum would make the wheel continue to rotate and spin until the end of time. This concept is called the conservation of angular momentum. Just like the conservation of linear momentum, the conservation of angular momentum means that an object will maintain its momentum unless it's acted upon by an external force. Using physics, we know that we can stay safe on our bicycles by allowing ourselves to keep moving and never stop. If you do need to stop, always remember to put your foot down because you will fall over. Remember, always be safe when you're dealing with physics and riding your bike.